Are dull presentations holding you back? Gamma AI will transform how you create and deliver engaging presentations. Leverage advanced technology for enhanced slides. Transform your ideas into stunning visuals effortlessly. Collaboration is essential. Gamma AI enables real-time editing for multiple users. This fosters teamwork and immediate feedback. Bid farewell to lengthy email threads and embrace seamless collaboration. Data security is crucial. Gamma AI uses high-level encryption to safeguard your information. Your presentations stay confidential throughout development. Let's create your first presentation. Create an account and visit the dashboard. Choose a theme, customize it, and use Edit with AI for assistance. You'll craft a polished presentation in no time. Already have PowerPoint slides? No worries. Gamma AI allows easy import and export as PDF, JPEG, or interactive web pages. With flexible pricing plans, there's an option for everyone. Casual users and professionals seeking advanced features will be satisfied. Transform your ideas into captivating visual stories. Engage your audience and elevate every presentation with Gamma AI. Unlock the future of presentations. Explore Gamma AI and enhance your presentation game. Impress your audience like never before.